Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create business consultation lead ad using custom shapes. First we create diagonal shape layout on the canvas. Now we divide content areas. We place headline inside shape. After that we add profile image mask. Now we highlight value points. We add phone icon shapes. Next we align CTA button visually. Now we balance colors. After that we add polish. Finally we